Long rebound for Rosita.
Well, they would have been better off waiting for the other guys to come in. Meantime, Alpha Ba.
Oh.
While juggling his passion for hooping, will Sinal embrace his role and contribute for the Brahmans? Back to you, Javier Bench.
Thank you so much, Daphne.
At the time, it really matters how you cover one's pass away.
The Chavez leaves it for Alpha Ba, gets
Oh,
it back.
wow.
What a good pass. It's
Ba, he understands when that ball went to him, there's going to be a closeout, two guys on him, finding that opened the Chavez underneath.
just like a hot potato. He let go of it. That's our cherry by John Villares. Here's Tristan Gad once again. Alpha Ba. Jumper from the elbow. That's money. On that out-of-bounds play. Aguila. Ramos is leaking out. That's going to be easy too for his coach on the side of UB. Is their offense in the first quarter really revolved around getting Christian Tabet involved. But I have not seen that so far. Their offensive rebound for Mr. De Chavez. Alpha Ba, left wing three. Looked like it was blocked, but that's going to go. That's a steal for LPU Batangas. Alpha Ba will not force the issue.
Oh, wow.
Kurt Laput wants it, he gets it. Back to Alpha Ba. Attack inside. Easy 2 points there for Alpha. De Chavez once again, this time met by two defenders. Jose kicks it out. Alpha Ba. The drop off. De Chavez still forces it up and gets it. His time. Gives it up. Alpha Ba. The elbow working against the defense of Christian Tabet. That will pounce in every...
Getting those shot attempts and those lucky bounds is helping their cause.
Alpha Ba attacks all the way. This is one thing that
Pirates, they're up 20.
the Brahmans cannot afford to be just trading baskets here.
Yeah.
They need stops.
Exactly.
Alpha Ba from the outside. It's his turn. Laput inside has to kick it out. Alpha Ba taking his time. Straight away,
Oh,
three-point
man.
shot. It is getting... And they are looking like they do not want to stop yet. Here's another three-pointer on the way down and through.